Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Close.com to Calendly for auto-created opportunities, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Close.com account. Navigate to the settings menu by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select the API section from the settings options. Here you will find your API key. Make sure to copy this key for later use. Next, open a new tab and log into your Calendly account. Once logged in, go to the Integrations section in the left sidebar. Click on the API and Webhooks option. In this section, you will find the option to create a new webhook. Click on the Add Webhook button. You will need to enter the URL for Close.com webhook. Visit the Close.com Help Center to find the specific webhook URL format you need. Paste the copied API key into the relevant field for authentication. Now, configure the webhook settings according to your requirements. For example, you can set triggers for event types like scheduled events or cancellations. After setting up the triggers, save the webhook configuration. Your Calendly account is now set up to send data to Close.com. Return to your Close.com account and navigate to the Opportunities tab. This is where newly created opportunities from Calendly will appear. To verify the connection, create a test event in Calendly. Check if the opportunity automatically appears in Close.com. If everything is set up correctly, you will see the new opportunity created from the test event. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Close.com to Calendly for auto-created opportunities. This integration will streamline your workflow and help you manage opportunities more efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.